Hello, welcome to JP Tarot, and right now I'm going to do love reading for the for water signs Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay, if you have your sun, moon, and rising signs with these signs, if you have your Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces in your sun, moon, rising sign, then you have this reading for you. Okay, this is a love reading in which I am not like others. I am not doing others do three types of three card reading. I am doing a detailed one. I have past, present, future, this clarification card, and this outcome card. So this will be a detailed reading, so you will have to stick here for a little bit longer, but this will give you a clear insight regarding your situation, what's crossing you, what you are facing right now, what energy you have carried forward in your present, and what you will carry forward in your future, and what will be the outcome. Okay, so all the answers to your question is here. So if you have your sun, moon, and rising with signs with Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, this is the reading for you. Okay, so this is a July reading for water sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. In the past you were defensive. Okay, you were defensive towards a reconciliation. You were defensive towards a reconciliation. Though you were manifesting that relationship, but you were defensive because you faced some heartbreak in the past. Okay, somebody was defensive that brought in separation. Right now that separation ended, but still you feel betrayed, you are hurt. Though you are in future you will manifest this relationship. Right now you are feeling betrayed, you are feeling backbited, and you are feeling like you have lost everything despite this end of separation, because somebody look at the situation. Somebody was defensive that brought in separation. Okay, that brought in separation in the past. Right now that separation ended, but still you are feeling betrayed because you feel like if due to this defensiveness this separation happened. This is your feeling, that if there was no defensiveness, this separation wouldn't happen and you wouldn't have been hurted. So that's your feeling right now. And if you carry forward this hurt energy in the past and you will not manifest and put effort in this relationship, you will again feel left out in this relationship. Sorry about that camera. Okay, so if you will not put in effort, you are gonna feel like left out in the future also, and that will make you stuck. That's the July energy, that you will be not happy upon the defensiveness of your partner, which brought in separation. Though the separation has ended, you are feeling betrayed, since that separation was brought in due to defensiveness, and you are manifesting this relationship, you are ready to put in effort, but you will feel like left behind. If you will continue to think like this, you will overthink this separation, and you will not continue with any effort in this situation. Again and again considering that loss, you will mess up with your future also. However, there is effort shown here, so that might be that due to that separation in the past, you are willing to manifest and put in effort, or you will put in effort, but still you will feel like left alone, and you will feel stuck. Okay, though this separation ended, you are feeling betrayed, and you are just working on this reunion. You have not achieved something. You will work on this reunion situation, reconciliation situation, but you are not ultimately, you are trying to manifest a reunion, and you will feel left out and stuck. So what it will yield, okay, that will be shown in the next few months. Okay, but for this month, you will try to put in effort in some relationship in a relationship, put effort in a relationship in which you got separation and you felt betrayed due to someone's defensiveness, and you want to put in effort, but since you are feeling left out and stuck, so you are in a limbo situation. For the July water sign, you are just in your head, you are not working, you are stuck, you are feeling left out because you were hurt in the past due to someone's defensiveness and separation. Though it ended right now, you are still stuck. Okay, the overall energy of this July month for the water signs is that you people are feeling left behind and stuck due to some separation which came to an end, but you are not happy about the happening of that situation. Okay, though you want to put in effort, but you are not happy, so you are stuck. Okay, for this month you are stuck, you are doing nothing, but you are all in your head. This is your July reading. Hope you liked it. This is overall what the cards are saying. You are going to do nothing, but you will only contemplate, think about your person and the past issue. That's all going to happen in the month of July. Okay, so that's all from me. Since the cards are showing nothing, but one thing is great here, that you are having a reunion. You are, in the past they were defensive, right now I am feeling you are passive defensive. Might be you are not showing defensiveness, but you are not acting in a manner expected, is also a defensiveness. Okay, so you are defensive in a passive manner, you are defending. So if this game ends defense, then this reunion is inevitable. You will have this reconciliation, and this left out situation will end, this hurt situation will end, this stuck situation will end, and ultimately this relationship will be manifested. You will have this reconciliation. Okay, so you are advised not to overthink, just to think whether this relationship is viable, whether you are still in the position to give something to this relationship. Will this relationship give something to both of you, and is there any potential that might be your person who came back, or with whom you are having this conflict, has huge love for you, or you have huge love for the other person. Try to balance things. This is imbalance. Try to balance things, whether from your part it's lacking or from your person's part. Let it balance, then and this automatic this defensiveness will end, and this love will be manifested, happiness will be manifested. So hope for the best and don't overthink, just work on the situation. Okay, work on the situation. I mean to say, if something needed to, some steps needed to taken, to be taken, then you should take. Okay, take it. Have a happy love life, successful love life, and might be, if you are too serious, take it to the next level. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. This is July monthly reading. For any question unanswered in this reading, you will have to go to the August reading. Okay, because this is nothing without whatever you are carrying forward must be seen in that reading. Okay, so if anything question left out, you will have to check out the August reading. Okay, I'm going to do so, since I'm doing all of them the 6-month reading at the single go. So you will get it after ending this reading. You can go to that reading. Okay, now within few days I will upload that reading also, so you will have to come back to this video to get the access to that video. I will link it up. Okay, so hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you. That's all for you for the month of July. Okay, thank you.